Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Loom to Canva for recording brand training videos. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Loom website. Log into your Loom account or create a new account if you don't have one. Next, open Canva in a new tab. Log in to your Canva account. Once you're in Canva, choose a template or create a new design for your brand training video. After selecting your design, go to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the Loom integration. Click on Loom to open the app within Canva. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to connect your Loom account. Click on the Connect button. You will be redirected to Loom to authorize the connection. Review the permissions requested and press Allow. Once connected, return to your Canva design. Now, look for the Loom options in the left sidebar. Click on Record with Loom. This action opens the Loom recording window. You may choose to record your screen, your camera, or both. Adjust the recording settings to fit your needs. When you're ready, press the Start Recording button. Begin discussing your brand training topics as you navigate your Canva design. Once you've finished recording, press the Stop Recording button. Your video will automatically upload to Loom. Return to your Canva design to insert the recorded video. Drag and drop your Loom video onto your design. Resize and position the video as desired. Finally, save your Canva design with the embedded video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.